What is that?
It's a big princess castle.
Did Santa get your friends?
I can't get this thing.
Did Santa bring out your friends? Kira,
What?
did Santa go in your room and get those dolls?
Yeah.
He came in your room last night and got your dolls? Did you hear him in there?
No.
No? Are you super excited?
Well, your hand's not going all the way down.
Gotta twist it. Not her. Oh,
I can't get her hair to get off.
Daddy will help you. Oh, pick her up.
Mom, baby alive.
What is all this? Is that all the stuff you asked for?
What is this thing?
Huh?
Did I get some more presents?
Yes, but this is what Santa brought you. Look, Santa even brought something for Miley.
Oh. Is this your box for your dolls?
You know, I think that's not, you're in the way. Kira, I think that's for all your you put all of your princess dolls in there for your castle. What do you
Who
think?
said that? Ariel did.
What do you think? Is that what you wanted?
Did I get more presents over
Kira, yes, but that stuff's from Mommy and Daddy. Hey, did you see Baby Alive? Did you ask for Baby Alive?
Yeah. Can you open her?